Good luck, guys. Our Flawless College number 2, the other half of last night. And then tomorrow night we'll crack into the team version of Flawless Football, or Flawless Basketball, the team version. So this is briefcase number 2, the other half of last night where we had UCLA. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Crazy thick. Starting off, numbered 10 of 10. 10 of 10. You have got Jonathan Motley. 10 of 10. Go on the 10 spot. Or the 0 spot. 10 spot or 0 spot. Jonathan Motley. Next, auto patch. Numbered 12 of 25. Justin Patton. Going to the 2s. Justin Patton. 3 colored. Going to the 2s. Justin Patton. Next one you've got going to the 3s. 23-25. You've got Tony Bradley. 23-25, Tony Bradley. Next one you got going to the 9s, 9 of 25, Jonathan Isaac. Going to the 9s, Jonathan Isaac. Got UCLA, numbered 4 of 10, going to the 4s, Zach LaVine. Zach LaVine going to the 4s. Going to the 1s, numbered 1 of 10, Magic Johnson. 1 of 10, Magic Johnson. For your Kansas Jayhawks, numbered 6 of 10, going to the 6s, Josh Jackson. 6 of 10, Josh Jackson. And finishing your regular cards, auto numbered 1 of 10, the Aaron Fox. Going to the 1s. The Aaron Fox, numbered 1 of 10 from Kentucky. Going to the 1s. Your Magnetics. First one, numbered 2 of 5, going to the 2s, Scal Lavasari. 2 of 5, Scal Lavasari. Got other one, number 10 of 15, Bam Adibo. Going to the 10 spot. 10 of 15, Bam Adibo. Going to the 10s. And your auto, rookie auto, number 3 of 5. Going to the 3s, Lonzo Ball. 3 of 5, Lonzo Ball. Finishing out your Flawless. So, that's going to do it tonight. We'll hop off. We'll get the stuff on YouTube. And then tomorrow night we'll do some high-tech baseball. We'll do some more Flawless College basketball. And we'll do some Flawless College football for Wednesday.